Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my previous class, I had discussed about the rise of Islam and Prophet Muhammad. Students, with the explanation of Honorable Prophet Muhammad, after that, now today, I am going to discuss with you all seen before 12 AD and communities, polity, etc. Okay, students. So, without wasting our times, we will start our session. That is, the topic is what I am going to teach today. This is seen before 12 AD. What was the scene? Scene before 12 AD. 12 AD students. Between 950 and 1200, the Islamic society was held together not by a single political order or a single languages of culture, but by common economy and cultural patterns. Students, before 950 to 1200, before 950 and 1200 AD, Islamic society was held together. Islamic society was held together, held together, held together, not by a single political order, not by a single political order, political order, not by a single political order or a single language of culture or a single language of culture, language of culture, single language of culture, but by a common economy and cultural patterns, but by a common economy, common economy and cultural patterns, economy and cultural patterns, patterns. Students, if we had seen the scene before the 12 AD, then what was the society? What was in the society? Before 950 and 1200 AD, Islamic society was held together not by a single political order, a single language of culture, but by a common economy and cultural patterns. Students, after that, the Muslim populations less than 10%, the Muslim populations less than 10%, the society who is prosperous clan of the Quraysh, who were the prosperous community, prosperous clan of the Quraysh Kabila. The Muslim population, the Muslim population of Umayyads, population of Umayyad less than 10%, less than 10% of population total population total population Umayyad who were the prosperous clan of the Quraysh Kabila, who were the prosperous clan of Quraysh Kabila, Quraysh Kabila, Quraysh Kabila. Students, tribes and easily Abbasi periods increased enormously. And in Abbasi period, periods it increased enormously. It increased enormously. Because the Abbasi were very not a gentle kinds of person. They attacked over the other Kabila and they forcefully converted the peoples into the Muslim community. The works of Abbasi, they attacked over the another Kabilas and they forcefully converted the peoples into the Muslim community, Islam community. They forcefully converted them. Students, the identity of Islam as a religion and a cultural system separate from other religions. The identity of Islam as a religion, the identity of Islam as a religion is separate from other religions. It became sharper, which made conversion possible and meaningful. It became sharper, which made conversion possible and meaningful. It became much sharper, which make conversion possible and meaningful. Students, after the scene before the lady, I am going to repeat it again. You all will listen it very carefully to understand the situations, the scenario before the 12 AD. Before 950 and 1200 AD, Islamic society was held together not by a single political order or a single language of culture, but by a common economy and cultural patterns. Second point, the Muslim population of Umayyad less than 10% of total populations. Umayyad, who count as a prosperous clan of Quraysh Kabila, and if we will compare it from the Abbasi periods, it increased, the population of Muslim increased enormously. Students, after that, the identity of Islam as a religion is separate from other religions. It became much sharper, which make conversion possible and meaningful. Because they forcefully attacked to the other Kabilas and forcefully converted them as Muslims or Islam. Students, now after this, I am going to discuss with you all about the community, and after that, the third phase, that is known as the polity. Now students, we will discuss about the community. Muhammad was found a community of beliefs, ummah, bound by a common set of religious beliefs. Community. In community, Muhammad was to found a community of belief. Muhammad was found a community of belief, community of belief, that were known as ummah, bound by a common set of religious beliefs. Students. The community would bear witness to the existence of religion before God. The community would bear witness that the existence of the religions before the God. The community would bear witness to the existence of religion before the God. God. Before the God, students, the community would be here to witness the existence of religion before the God. There is a harsh conflict between the Christianity and Islam. We are seeing here. The community would be the head of the community, who are based on the beliefs. The Ummah support that the existence of the Islamic religion before the God. Students, as well as before the members of other religious community, as well as the members of other religious community. Students, as well as the members of other religious community, they support that the existence of the Islamic religion before the God, as well as the other religious community. Students, Muhammad messages particularly appeal to those Meccans who felt deprived of the gains from the trade and religions, and others were looking for a new community identity. The messages of Muhammad, particularly the message of Muhammad particularly appealed to those Meccans who felt deprived of the gains, from the gains of trade, gains from trade and religion, gains from trade and religion, and were looking for a new community identity, and were looking for a new community identity, looking for a new community identity. Students, those who accepted the doctrine were called Muslim. Those who accepted doctrine doctrine known as Muslims. Students, they were promised the salvation on the day of judgment. They were promised to their peoples about salvation, the salvation they can achieved on the day of judgment, जिसको कयामत का दिन कहा जाता। कहा गया कि आपको मोक्ष की प्राप्ति तो होगी, लेकिन कब होगी? जिस दिन कयामत का दिन आएगा, कयामत के दिन ही आपको मोक्ष की प्राप्ति होगी। Salvation. They were promised to the peoples that if you convert themselves in the Muslim community, then you got the salvation on the day of judgment. On the day of judgment. They were promised to the people about the salvation to the day of judgment, to the day of judgment. To the day of judgment. Judgment day is also called the day of Qiyamah. Qiyamत के दिन आपको मोक्ष की प्राप्ति होगी. The Muslim soon faced the considerable opposition. The Muslim soon faced the considerable opposition from the affluent Meccans who took offenses to the rejections of their deities and found the new religions of their a threat to the status and prosperity of Mecca. The Muslim soon faced the considerable oppositions from affluent Meccans who took offenses to the rejections of their deities. The Muslims soon faced considerable opposition from the affluent Meccans who took offenses to the rejections of their deities. Students. So, Now students, with this statement, I am going to end this session here. We will meet in next video in next day. Thank you students. Thank you very much.